So, I'm River, and welcome to our farm. Like, I know we all are like stuck in our houses for a reason, so we want to share our farm with you. So, we're gonna meet the goats today. Come on.
What is it, bud? On our farm, we also have bees, and someone's a little afraid of them. Come on, it's okay. I promise it won't get you. Mommy's right here. Come on. If you run to me, you will be faster than a goat or faster than a bee. Hurry, run, run. Go, Cade, run. There's no bee there. There's no bee. Run. Look, the donkeys are saving you too. See? Elton and McQueen are like, no, go, run. Jasper's ready. Okay, let's go. Well, Jessie disappeared on you.
Now, let's get in here. Let's get in this farm. As you can see, they're kid babies.
They're not that little anymore.
And did you know that like goats are, when their babies are called kids? Hey! They love headbutting.
Let's not headbutt them.
Soon their
Jessie
horns,
wants to headbutt you though.
Soon their horns can grow really big.
Like Jake's maybe? Jake's is getting big.
So.
What you got going on, Jessie?
She was doing. She was nibbling. So. These creatures have, like, because of what they eat on farms, this is how big their poop is. Like this.
Tiny little poops.
Yeah, really tiny. And very, very smooth. Yeah, now come into their field. Have one, come all.
Well, Mommy's over here. Okay, I'm coming.
It's perfectly perfect. It's perfectly perfect. Oh, Jessie just licked me. They like me. Oh, she's nibbling on my clothes.
Goats like to eat anything, don't they?
Yep. And like to jump on things if they can't do it.
Come here, Cade.
I'm gonna go get a treat. You absorb them.
Absorb them?
They came in here.
Oh, you're gonna lose your treats, River.
So
Wait a second.
okay.
Don't drop them, River.
No. You go. Oh my God. It's a goat fight. You do not want to have
Here.
a goat fight. It hurts.
Here, Cade, take two. You take two. And then River, you take two. And go out there. Go on.
Let's go. Whoa, I can't.
You can't, they got you trapped.
Owie. Hey, goats, I want to go.
Jessie!
I don't have any treats. See this. A little nibble for you. Oh, you will.
They're getting a
I
little
want to
crazy.
go this way.
You want to go out this way? Okay, River, Cade wants to go out this way. So let's say bye to the goats for today.
Bye.
And say bye to our friends.
And say bye to the goats. And bye, friends, to you.
These
too.
boys are
I don't have any
rambunctious.
treats.